Good afternoon, Professor Perry Rivers. How are you today? Alright, today I'm going to be discussing part of the slideshow project I did based on the company topic that me and my partners wanted to do, and that is Apple Incorporated. So, as we know right now, we can say we all know what Apple is. Apple is a huge technology company that builds hardware and software products based on technology that is it helps with people with their everyday lives and their everyday situations and all sorts of stuff. Apple, what they do exactly? Apple designs, develops, sells consumer electronics, computer software, personal computers, all kinds of stuff, just to make people's lives much easier on what they want to do and all sorts of stuff. It was founded in April 1976 and was incorporated as Apple Computer Incorporated on January 3rd, 1977. And it operates in all kinds of countries like in Europe, Japan, and of course the United States of America. The headquarters was in Cupertino, California. That was like the main place they built their headquarters, which of course now is still there and helps send their products to all sorts of places. So what is the mission statement? Like, what is the very goal of Apple Incorporated, the main goal for this company? And the mission statement is, of course, is to bring the best products to everyone and to make life easier with technology. Because without technology, life wouldn't be easier. With technology, it makes everything much easier when it comes to using a computer, making applications, all sorts of stuff. Stuff that makes everything easier. That's the main detail for Apple. So I will now discuss the next thing, segmentation in the consumer market. So for demographics, the age range we're aiming at is the ages of 12 to 55 years old. Why? Let's see. 12. When you're 12, at least by the age of 12, you'll be learning how to. You probably have a Mac computer by now, or learning how to use it. And a lot of kids in that age and older, they would have like iPods or you could say iTouch right now to listen to music, to even make music, even remix music, all kinds of stuff. If you're into music, beats, and all that kind of technology. And by the time later on, when you're like 18 and older, like around 55, that kind of range, you could say people will be using Apple computers in companies to help make advertisements, slogans, use Microsoft Word, and all sorts of that kind of stuff. Because Apple's the top technology, and it's the kind of technology people need in order to help make their companies stronger when it comes to work. The graphics would be aiming at the world, because the whole world needs Apple. Every country needs Apple technology because it's the highest tech, and if you want things to run better, you need the highest tech. You don't want low technology. You want strong technology. You want powerful technology that helps make your creativity on your work or your whatever business profession you do much easier. The products that Apple really make are hardware products like Macintosh computers, the PowerBook G4 notebook, the iMac, of course, an iBook, all sorts of stuff like that. When you have software products, you have products like the iPod. I'm sorry. iPod is considered another hardware product. For software, you have the iTunes system where you make music and you input music in your iPod, which connects one another. And you have other stuff like storage devices. You would have a webcam. Instead of hooking a webcam is built inside the Mac. So that's considered a piece of software technology to be used. And you also have digital music players and all sorts of relations to that. In addition, you would have the Spotlight application. You would have the XN and those kind of software that you need when you're using an iMac. So, what is the communication strategy? What is the very strategy that Apple needs to work on stuff? What they need to do is to get investors involved in meetings and discuss Apple Incorporated's future. Expressing questions on what changes or any ideas can bring Apple straight to the top. Need to discuss and talk on how to build a better future for the company. They should use using like reactive strategies or to explain miscommunications and come up with solutions to help solve this problem. This will be result in retaining constant Apple. So instead of having their sales or anything like that dropping down, they keep this. They make a solution for this problem. They'll keep going up because I'm sure a great company like this doesn't need errors. It needs to get stronger and stronger and involve more of their technology and involve more of their business. The people that this company is going to target are people who are middle and upper class people, more of middle class and upper class income, are people who are willing to pay at least maybe $500 or more, because that's how much Apple products are right now. They're getting more expensive as we speak. But those who have decent incomes, I'm sure they wouldn't have a problem paying that kind of money for all these products, because these products are good technology and it makes it easier for people. Unlike other computer companies like Lenovo or HP. In addition, people who have fun with technology is another kind of audience want to target, because technology is fun. Some may not like it, some may don't, or any sorts. But I like technology, and people should like technology, because technology is fun to learn, especially for kids. It's better when they learn technology when they're young, so they know much better for the future. Because you never know if they wanted to work with technology as a great profession. Or we know they may want to work in the Apple company for all we know. So no other platform, no other computer company is unlike Apple, who would have so many entry-level tools and all sorts of applications. No company would have that, but only Apple could do it. This includes people who like to shoot digital photos or videos. Like people who are broadcast majors, they doing film, if they want to record film and all that, they use Apple technology to make videos and all that. It's a great way to start how to become a broadcast major. Start using Apple technology. It makes it easier for your profession. In addition, this is also great for music lovers, because people who like to create music, remix music, or just put music in an iPod, you have the iTunes system. That's where the iTunes system comes in, because that's what it does. Stores your music, creates your music, remix your music, does everything. Even buy applications on the iTunes store that helps make your iPod easier and your iPhone. iPhone's actually considered another great piece of technology that people should consider for now and the future, because iPhone has everything from music to phone calling through amazing sources. And this company will also target professionals in media and design, because in media and design you want to use media is what it is right now. And for design, you want to design certain kind of media, create advertisements, all sorts of stuff that you would do in business companies. And with Apple, it'll make it much easier than just using an ordinary computer by scratch. Apple has the applications to make it all happen and help make your work much easier. So these are all the topics I discussed from my part of the slideshow. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you a very good day and a very good holiday. And all I can say, I am glad I did talk about the Apple corporate. It's actually one of my favorite companies to talk about, because I do like technology. I do minor in IT, so that's pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed it, and you have yourself a very good day and a great holiday. Thank you. Goodbye.